Here's the product here, guys. INDO, ticker symbol, INDO. Everybody on board? Everybody on board for the Indonesian energy? So it's our number 2 cats on the list, and it's also got no short selling available, so that's good news. Secondly, there is no dark pool activity prior to the trade kicking off, and this was posted at 2:21 p.m. on the 22nd of February. 2:21 p.m. on the 22nd of February. So you'll see here, this is the 22nd of February. This is 1:30. This is 1:30. This is now 2 o'clock, which closes at 2:30. So that's the pre-market candle close. We bought it at $5 a share. $5 a share. Yes, everybody agrees that that's now accurate to what we're showing. $5 a share. Yep. Let's see what's happened to Indonesian energy since that buy trade at $5 a share. Obviously, the first day it went up to $8. It was a great trade. And from $5 a share, it has gone and rotated to currently a high price of $22 a share. Not bad. Getting a kick in the teeth, in it. See, we went from $5 a share to a high price now of $23. Total top line price during the pre-market this morning was $23.25. $23.25. So we talked about this one several times on the journey from the bottom edges here. We talked about it several times. Coming into earnings, of course, we got another rip, and then in the pre-market we got another rip, of course. Yeah, great trade. Great trade. Nice outcome, guys. Very, very good. What's not to like about that bit of business? The oil came back off last night's RGL. What an RGL it was last night, wasn't it, when you think about it? Take a look for yourself, guys. Take a look for yourself about how much money you would have made off this overnight RGL here. Look. What was the first thing that happened to the RGL? It broke north, didn't it? So the first thing that happened to last night's RGL, it broke north. We went from $110.70, a high price of $112.40. $112.40, guys. It's nearly well, nearly $2,000. Not quite, but nearly $2,000. But it started to give us a bit of a flat top up here. Somebody came across with the shears and just chopped the heads off the daffodils there, and sent the price straight back down. Now that's a very, very big profit to start with. When it came back to retest the level, look, never once went through it. Bounced it beautifully. That's about a $500 bounce, by the way, guys. That little bounce there, $500. It came back again and it bounced again there. Came back again and it bounced again right there. And what happened next? It bounced 2 more times after that, and then it ripped. And then it rips. Look at that rip, guys. Look at that rip. We went from the RGL, which we'd already given you in last night's tweets, of $110.70, and it reached a high price. Look, it reached a high price of $114.70. Crazy, isn't it? And then what happened? We moved into the London session. Bearing in mind we've just had a 50-line pullback here. You'll see that we had an almost exact 50 pullback right there. For anybody in the overnight session trading that narrative there, and they're saying, okay, well, we're going to go for target price again, next target price here, and then of course the next target price is going to be what? Next target price is going to be up here. Say, wow, that's crazy, right? And sure enough, we got very close to that target price right there. Look at that, guys. Look at that structure. It's crazy, right? Absolutely crazy that this structure is so strong. So we went from $110.60, eventually trading $116.60. $6,000 per contract off the RGLs. But it's better than that. We then started to sell the top edges up here. As you know, And you can see what's happened since we started to sell the top edges. We've went from $116.60 to $107. $10,000 per contract on the short side since we got short into that narrative. 10 grand per contract. The last arrow was the live room call. The last arrow here was the live room call that we gave you guys. Where's the live room call at? Anyone? Where's the last room call at? Where did it come from? Yes, the halfback trade. There's a halfback. There's your level. There's your sell. And there's your profit target. And it screamed through that profit target and it hit this measured move here. $107.20. Structure again. Structure. Look at where the price. Look at where the price bounced here. RGL. Look at where the price cleared here. RGL. Look at where the price sold off from here. RGL. You see it? RGL buy side bounce. Failed auction to the upside. RGL sell side bounce to the downside there. Structure. Where is that RGL bounce? Is it a Fibonacci? Is it 1.3927316? Or is it simply a halfback area? Or is it simply a halfback area that we all have an idea about because we did another classroom on it? So it's not just a halfback. Oh no, it's much more than just a halfback. It's a halfback trade at an RGL with declining volumes and then a surge in volume as we all jump on board the sell again for the sell-off. And where's the target price? 106.50. The target price is 106.50, of course, right there. Where's the measured move? Measured move is back towards $112. Back towards that bottom edge print that we had from earlier on, right there.